Hi guys, I'm Dhruv and this is the video about how to hack Pokemon Go with joystick. Now first thing you have to search in the Google that old version of flying GPS, this first one. And you have to go down and see this one. Flying GPS or 4.0.5 APK. Click on this and go in this first one. And download this. I have already downloaded this, but I am showing you. After downloading, you will see this app, Flying GPS. Open this, and then where you want to go there. Click here. Click here, and GPS service run joystick location mode Pokemon. Then this joystick will come here. See this. See, this is working. You can see this is working. See. Okay guys, this hack is only for the mobile of Marshmallow. Okay, please leave a like and a subscribe, please.